Hi everyone, how are you all? Okay, so today I will do Aries in love and the person on their mind. What are they thinking and feeling about you, Aries, right now in their current energies? This is for Aries, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. This is a general read, so it may or may not resonate with you. So please take what resonates and leave the rest. Thank you. And let's dive right into it. So Aries, what is the person on your mind, your person thinking about you? First, let's see who is the person that you are thinking about. Okay, so Aries, this is a person who is probably in a lower vibration than you, or they are um, they are younger to you, okay, and they are not willing to come into bigger energies towards you because they feel that you are not going to accept them. This could be a person who you probably were in a long term relationship with, and they are right now very scared to come forward with an offer which they want to, because they feel that you still don't want any kind of peace with them. Though they want a peaceful resolution with you, they want to end this struggle that you guys have been going through for the longest time, and they want to move towards you in the best way possible. They want some sort of success here. Nevertheless, they're not very sure where you stand with them. I do feel that this is a person who owes an apology towards you, and they do want to apologize as well, or make a beautiful gesture towards you which would be close to an apology. Now let's see what the person on your mind is feeling about you um, at the moment, and what are their next actions towards you. Okay, so Aries, the person on your mind is also coming in Aries energies, Fool energy, which means that they are mirroring you. They are wanting to drop all their baggages from the past, and they want to come towards you in a very new energy. They want to take a leap of faith towards you. They are seeing you that you are moving on, and you probably are moving towards your own wish fulfillments, and they want to be a part of it. They are definitely seeing you that you are releasing all the pain from the past, but there is still a lot of overthinking going on in your mind as far as they're concerned, or your situation is concerned, and they feel that they really need to still gauge where you're at, and come towards you in the exact kind of energy which is going to be conducive to you. So that is what they're trying to figure out. Now they do feel that there has been an ending with you guys, Aries, and they are quite regretful, quite disappointed about the ending that has happened, and they want to really continue. So it's the World card that has come out, and it's saying that, though they feel that there has been an ending, but they want to continue from it. Okay, so and when I mean continue, they want to have a better, bigger cycle with you now, which would be more fulfilling, happier, and successful. That's what they want right now. Also, they feel that there are a lot of other people in your life, and that could create an obstacle for them. And they feel that you have options in your life right now, and you may be liking other people in your life, and that is definitely stopping them from coming towards you in a way that they want to, which is with full of love, compassion, and soul connection. So they definitely still feel a soul connection with you guys. This Aries could have been a situation where you could have been married, to, or you were in a very long term relationship with this person. It was a solid relationship, but it somehow came to an end, and now this person wants to come back and they want to restart, have a restart. They are very, very attracted to you, Aries. They are seeing you in your power. They are seeing you fiery, feisting, doing your thing. This is the King of Wands, your energy, Aries. And they feel that you are looking very good, looking very attractive, and you are in control of your life. So they are not very sure that you're thinking of them, or you want to entertain them, or you don't even want them to enter your life again. They miss you, Aries. They are really missing you. They're thinking about the good times they shared with you, and they're wanting to come back, but they know that they did something wrong, and because of which things came to an end, and they don't really know how to come towards you now, because they feel that when it was time and when they could have come towards you, they did not. They did all the wrong things possible, and they really pissed you off. They really upset you a lot. They hurt you a lot, and that is, they were doing all of that to get your attention, to trigger you, to poke you. They thought that you will come towards them if they do all of these things, but that is not what happened, because Aries, you stayed in your power, the Empress energy. Of course, we all know that tarot gender is fluid, so it does not matter if an emperor comes out or an empress, because it means right now we are I'm sorry, you guys are tapping into your feminine energies, which means that you are though you are in your power, Aries, but you still are feeling a bit tender, a bit compassionate towards people around you. Also, you are feeling this tenderness and concern for your person, the person on your mind. Anyhow, this person sees that you guys are you guys are stuck. You guys are not very sure if you want to come towards your person because of the past, because of your past hurt. This person has caused you a lot of pain in the past. Whatever happened in your life, whatever they did in the past was extremely unexpected. A sudden painful situation was created for you, and you were reeling under it for a long time till you got hold of yourself. And now that you are in control, you don't want to give away that power or control to anybody else, because you are really scared that it can happen again, the situation can repeat, and you will be left hurt again. So you want justice in this situation where you feel that you've been wronged, and you want that the balance is created in the situation where if you went through some pain, now you should get what you deserve, the best of everything in your life. Of course, that is the reason you are moving very slowly right now, Aries, because you don't want to make any sort of a impulsive decision. You don't want to rush into anything, so that you're not in the same place or space again. So you are making your moves very carefully after a lot of contemplation and a lot of planning and a lot of thoughts. So way to go, Aries. It's a very good energy to be in. I'll now see what would be your person's next action towards you, after which I will check your energies towards them. What are your person's, what could be their probable next action towards you, Aries? They want forward movement. Point blank period. They do want to come towards you. They want the situation to change. They want things to improve. They want to be happy again with you, Aries, because they used to be very happy. There's something that went really wrong, somewhere in between, but they feel that things can again be happy and again be as it used to be earlier. They really want the situation where you guys are in no contact, no communication, things are not really going anywhere or in their favor. They want this situation to come to an end and things to transform and come into a beautiful, new, passionate, fiery energies. They want to come towards you with a lot of passion. They want intimacy, and they are remembering those times when you guys used to be very close, and they want to establish the strong foundation of a relationship which you used to have with them. They want to renew it. If you guys are separated or divorced, they want to start off from there again, where they know that you guys at one point of time, you guys used to have a very strong relationship, a rock solid relationship which you built together, and they want to start from there again. Okay, they see you as their happiness. You're the only person who brings them this kind of joy, so they definitely want some success with you. So that is the intention with which they're going to come towards you. They want to make you happy too, but right now they are a little scared because of how you have acted in the past with them after the separation, the breakup, or the conflict that you guys had. They feel that they are not equipped yet to come towards you, because they're feeling weak, and they feel that you are not seeing them in the right light. This card, the Queen of Pentacles coming in reverse, means that you guys must have had a long-term relationship with them, or you guys were married, or there was something very solid there, and now they feel that you are seeing them in a completely different energy, which is completely opposite to an ideal partner. Somebody who used to make them happy, you feel is now not at all in that energy. So that is why they are going to take their time. They are thinking, they are trying to plan how to come towards you, because they don't want to rush into it and ruin everything. So they are going to take their time a little bit, but forward movement is definite. They are definitely coming towards you. Now let's see, Aries, what are your energies towards them? Okay, Aries, you guys you guys still have reconciliation energies towards them, though you are not expressing what you actually feel for them. All right, it's saying that you still have a lot of love for them, and you're waiting for them to come back, because you still feel that that is the person who was perfect for you, and other people that you met after them really did not match up to them, even though there was some wrong that was done in the past, and your person did betray you in some way, or they hurt you in some way. Still, Aries, you feel that they are the perfect partner for you, and they have been very loving and caring towards you always. They did probably lose their faith, and they lost their way somewhere in between, but you feel that if there is a comeback, things can get back to what it used to be. You also want to travel towards them or move towards them. You want a peaceful resolution as well. You want to get to a peaceful space where you can clear the air and have some sort of a harmony with them. It's not showing that you again want to rebuild on a connection with them, but you definitely want some good communication to come through, and you both at least having a conversation where you guys can probably come to a harmonious space. And then yes, there is an energy of love here, and you definitely want some sort of a renewal. Even if you want to start off small, you want to start off slow, you still want to start off, Aries, which is beautiful. Reconciliation energies are also showing up, but you still want to wait for a while to see what happens, because you don't want to rush into anything and make the same mistake that you made last time. And it seems like that it's not only with this person that you rushed in and you were disappointed and hurt. There could have been other people also with whom you rushed in, and the situation fell apart. So this time you want to do it right. So definitely, Aries is showing that you want to have a communication, a breakthrough with them, even if it is just speaking your truth and about clarifications, but you do want to go through with it. Still, there is an energy where it seems like you guys are a little scared, a little stressed about the situation, because you really don't want to go through the same thing again. It was too painful for you guys to actually get over this situation, to get over this heartbreak that you were living through for quite quite a few days. It could have been years, could have been months, but it was a good amount of time, and it took you a long time to get over it. And you feel that if it happens again, you guys won't be able to take it. So you want to take your time. You are a little scared and a little stressed about the situation. Nevertheless, Aries, you guys are also very passionate about your person, this person on your mind, and I do see that you guys are going to take a take an action towards them, a passionate action towards them. You will take a leap of faith as well towards them. You guys are mirroring each other almost, not completely, but almost, and I do think you guys will have some sort of a coming together, union, or reconciliation. Okay, let's quickly check what could be what is coming in future for you guys. What could be a probable outcome for you both? As you know, energies constantly keep on changing, so we'll see what could be the probable outcome in based on current energies. What is to come through next for you both? I do see a partnership, a friendship probably would be developing between you both. You both want to start as friends again, so that none of you are scarred or hurt. So I think that's a great idea, because you both have been through hell and back. So it is better to take it slow, take it easy, and start off as friends. Get to know each other better first before committing to something bigger. It's showing that both of you have a lot of love for each other, and this will definitely shine through again between you both. Love will come again, but you guys want to start off as friends, build a strong partnership between each other. Take it slow and easy, and then move forward once you both are very sure where you both stand and how you feel towards each other. Right now, both of you have other options in your life, but it's not interesting you. So I do think, though you guys would be probably exploring a little bit here and there, but nothing can stop both of you from coming together and at least trying or trying it one more time, or going through one more cycle. So that is it for you guys today, Aries. I'll see you next time. If you liked the video, please give me a like, or you can even comment on it. If you have anything to share with me, please do share and subscribe. Thank you so much, all of you.